Present continuous. I'm doing. Sarah is in her car. She's on her way to work. She's driving to work. This means she's driving now. At the moment of speaking, the action is not finished. Please don't make so much noise. I'm trying to work. Where's Mark? He's having a shower. Let's go out now. It's not raining anymore. How's your new job? Are you enjoying it? What's all that noise? What's going on? Or what's happening? Sometimes the action is not happening at the time of speaking. For example, Steve is talking to a friend on the phone. He says, I am reading a really good book at the moment. It's about a man who. Steve says, I am reading, but he's not reading the book at the time of speaking. He means that he has started reading the book but hasn't finished it yet. He is in the middle of reading it. Some more examples. Kate wants to work in Italy, so she's learning Italian. Some friends of mine are building their own house. They hope to finish it next summer. You are working hard today. Yes, I have a lot to do. The company I work for isn't doing well this year. Getting, becoming, changing, improving, starting, beginning, increasing, rising, falling, growing. Is your English getting better? The population of the world is increasing very fast. At the first, I didn't like my job, but I'm starting to enjoy it now.